Hey everybody, in this video, got a Schlage deadbolt without a key. I need to rekey it. And, somebody mentioned on my last video that I should rake one open with 4 spools in it, because I said that I'd do that. I've not gutted this, so I don't know that it has 4 spools, but most of these Schlage deadbolts do, so... Okay, so it's raked open. Yeah, snake rake. This one and this one are my 2 favorites. Now, I'm going to go ahead and try to get it apart without accidentally locking it back. So we can gut it. I'll hold it with my finger so it doesn't lock back. Alright, and the bitting does have something to do with these things. Raking open real easy. Doesn't really matter much single pin picking, but... Alright, so for key pins... Yeah, not a lot of variation there. I'm going to put the follower in backwards, so we'll just gut it backwards here. Tweezers. So 5 is standard. And then if this is just a normal factory pin Schlage, the rest should be spools. And they are. And then let's see, dump the springs out. Alright, so there's that one. We can see it here. So it's 4 spools and a standard. And so I put it back together and rekey it here. So that's a Schlage deadbolt raked open.